Hi everybody, so welcome to sunny Le Mans. And look at that, the weather. I mean, most of the time it's a little bit wet here, but hey, what can you do? Anyway, now it's beautiful weather, and I left this morning at 4 AM already to take the plane to Paris, and then from there I took the train to Le Mans. So my colleague was so nice that he already washed the truck for me and he put it here, because I parked it someplace else, if you saw in my last video. So yeah, perfect. He arrived Monday, so he had a little bit of time to do these things, which is a big help. We don't have to do this now, so we can take it a little bit more easy in the morning. It's almost 2, and actually we're about to park again. We're one of the first. I think we're parked 5th or 6th or something like this. So no, not so bad. Enjoy the weather a little bit and park the truck. It's already clean, so maybe clean some small parts here and there, and then it's to the hotel, and then back at it tomorrow. So Wednesday morning, and it's time to set up a pit box. Good morning from a little bit chilly Le Mans. It's Thursday again, and you guessed it, I have to go to Michelin again. Yeah, I'm waiting here and for my colleague at the hotel, and
yeah, we leave a little bit earlier than normal, and yeah, just to be I don't need to be in front of the queue, but I would like to be a little bit more towards the front. Otherwise it's gonna be late in the day when I receive my my tires. So but anyway, yeah, wait a little bit and then let's go to the track again.
Envoie des victoires, moi qui suis pas loin, du coup, je fais du bonheur pour la France. Allez les supporters de Joan Sarko! Et ici, merci Joan, merci Pierre, et ici les supporters de Fabio Quarta.
So it's Thursday afternoon, it's 6 o'clock and everything is ready, the bikes, the brakes, the tires, yeah, we're like sitting around a little bit, and I decided to go for a little walk around the track. Yeah, actually I never been here on track, so first time for me as well. This is my 5th year I come here, but no, so far, yeah, nice with a little bit of elevation change here. You can, behind me, it's where the, let's see if I can find it. There's the, where the 24-hour car race goes on a long track, and with the famous Dunlop bridge behind me. But Motogp turns right here. Anyway, yeah. Just go for a walk, stretch the legs. Dinner is not until 8 o'clock in hospitality, so you have to wait and yeah, do one lap. Yeah, a lot of my colleagues are running or cycling or doing a little bit of exercise, but no, I just go for a walk. I'm okay with that. So hopefully the weather stays like this, and tomorrow it looks like good, and Saturday, Sunday might be some rain. Hey, we're in France, so what can you expect? It's pretty much the same as the Netherlands, by the way. But anyway, yeah, I just finished my lap, and then I think 6:30, then I should be back in the pit box, and then yeah, grab some clothes for tomorrow, and then 8 we have dinner, and then we go to the hotel, and then tomorrow we go full in FP1. Hopefully Taka's knee will be a little bit better. He's still not really sure about it, so yeah, let's hope we can do the weekend. So that's the weekend. In the end, not so bad. It's P7, and especially when knee was a little bit hurtful as well. But he did a good race. Of course, we had a little bit of luck with people crashing out, but yeah, well, when you want to finish first, you have to finish. So no, we did a good job. Everything is packed. My colleague is going back with the truck, and I'm going back with my Dutch colleague to the Netherlands in the rental car. So I hope I'm home at 2 at midnight. But yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video as well. A little bit shorter than normal, but yeah, if you did like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I see you guys in the next video. Then we go to Mugello.